Hey, and welcome to A Hat Company. I wanted to give you an intro on how to use our website and creating a custom hat like the one you see here. So, you want to choose your hat. This one is a 5-panel hat. As you can see, there's just one panel in the front. Sometimes you see a split in the middle. That means that it's a 6-panel hat. So when you count the panels going all the way around, you'll count 5 or 6 usually. So this one's a 5-panel. This one happens to be the Auto Mid Profile, which I'm really fond of. I think they look great. So we're going to go find that hat. So we have it right here. Okay. And you're going to select the color that you want. We can just start with this one, but you have a ton of different options on colors. Okay. So we can try this one. Let's say this one. All right. Design online. And this is a very simple design. So if we wanted to create like the one you see on my head, creating content, you can add this text box right here. And this is just a standard, this is the default text. It's called Collegiate 08, but you'll be able to change that here, and I'll show you. So this is all caps, so creating content like that. And then you're going to align it. And then what you're going to do is change the font. And you're just going to scroll to something that looks good. In this case, it's a block font. This one works. There's lots of different block fonts. But you'll just have to explore and see what works for you. Okay, so we got creating content as our text. We are going to hit done. And then we're going to take a look at our spacing. Our spacing actually looks good, but you can actually expand it or contract it. Line height, expand or contract like that. You can even do a text outline, and the outline will allow you to put like a white border to it, or whatever color really. See that? Right there. We're not going to do that, but I just wanted to show you. So we'll take that away, text outline, reduce that to 0, and then we'll do the next step. And we have a minimum of 6 hats. You can add 12 if you want. And you'll notice that the pricing here, right now we're running a special, $7 per logo, no setup fees. And the hat completed cost right now, today, as of December 2025, it's $13.89 each. And you just hit buy now, put your design name, creating content, and then view your chart. Okay, and then you can see your logo is right here. You can go edit it if you want to go back. See, maybe if you want to change the color, you can change the color right here to, let's say, red or blue or whatever. Go back to black. Okay. You can also add things to it. So if you wanted to add an upload, you can upload your image right here, and there will be a separate video showing that process as well. You can also, you can change the side, so you can add something to the back as well. So if you want to add text here, you can add, in this case, a hat company. Okay. And then what we'll do is hit enter, and you'll reduce the size down like that. And you can do it straight across. You can even add some effects to it as well. Okay. So next step, we could do the left side. Okay. If you want to add art, add more text. Let's add an image. Okay, so let's take our company image here. I'm going to save image as, just drop it into our downloads folder, and then we're going to select that file from our downloads folder right here. Keep original. original, and we can remove the white background if there is white background. So we'll just hit that. And you're going to choose full color, black and white. This is a black logo, so we can just select that, or full color. Just keep it on full color. We will send you a proof before this actually gets printed, by the way. So put your logo right there. And we'll make adjustments so that the positioning is exactly how you want it. So don't feel like you have to be married to exactly how this is put. If you want to, if you accidentally make it a little too large where it's going to be hitting these seams, we'll correct all that. We're going to make sure that it's within the proper area. And don't worry about making it like perfect, okay? Everything's going to be fixed in detail in our factory. Okay, and so you can change the product side again. So we've got 3 sides here. Right side, we can do the same thing just for demonstration purposes. Add the logo, white background, full color, like that. Okay, next step, 6 hats, get price, and now you can see the price has jumped because it's $7 per logo. So you got the front, the sides, and the back. So there's literally 4 logos on each hat, and each hat came out to $34.89. So update. So we're going to replace our existing design. We're not going to make a new design, but you could. We could call the first one creating content, 1 logo front, and then put this one, name this one as creating content, a hat company, 360 or something like that. Doesn't matter. It's going to be for your reference in the future. Okay, so you can see all the logos that are going on the hat. Okay, proceed to checkout. Put your order details. Okay, we're not running any gift cards at the moment, but in the future we will. So keep a lookout for that. We'll probably try to put it on the top of the website so that you know at that time. And then you'll sign up here. You can put a gift message as well, and then you'll do your delivery and payment stuff here. So everyone knows how to do that, so I don't need to show that part of it. But thank you for checking out our process. We're really happy with this website, and we hope you like it too.